All right, I'm going to let you in on a little secret. In my Marketing with Meller program, I take you behind the scenes to a lot of the things that I do to help market my business. Hey, this is Brenda Meller from Meller Marketing, and I'm coming to you today fresh-faced here from Macomb County, Michigan. This is one of my little pro tips. If you don't feel like doing hair and makeup, put a fun pair of sunglasses on, right? And I created this Marketing with Meller program to help to share my marketing knowledge with all of you. I'm frequently being asked different questions like, how did you do that, right? And I come from a corporate marketing background. Even though a lot of people know me for my LinkedIn expertise, I am still a marketer by heart, and I love teaching people how to do marketing more effectively. If you're interested in learning more, I've got an upcoming free open house event on Monday, June 16th, where I'd love to walk you through behind the scenes what Marketing with Meller is all about. I'm going to give you a tour of the program. I'll give you a preview of a couple of the upcoming events that we have. I'll talk about the different membership options that are available in the program, and you get your opportunity to ask questions of me. So if you're interested in joining, go ahead and click on that link below. This is a live virtual event, and spaces are limited. So looking forward to seeing you inside the event, and you can come with your fun sunglasses on or camera on, camera off, whatever you wish, my friend. I look forward to seeing you there.